Hi, this is the Nokia 5710XA and I'll show you how to activate or turn off silent mode on this device. So we got two ways how we could do that. Just first, let's open the menu. Let's scroll down and find settings. Tap to select. Tap to personalizations. Scroll to the sounds. And here scroll down and find the volume section. Just by this way we could see that the volume enabled, so just now we are in sound mode, and to activate silent you just should slide to the left side this volume panel, and by this way we could activate the silent mode. Also we could make it by another way. Just here tap to the hash key button, hold it for a while, and after that we could see that the silent mode enabled. To turn it off by the same way, hold the hash key button twice, and now our device is on ring mode, so by this way we could turn it on or turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.